Hello and welcome to our tutorial video about the N5990A option 155 VESA RX test. In this tutorial, we will show you the usage of a VESA DisplayPort test automation software. It is used to test the physical layer of DisplayPort devices. First, you click on the Configure DUT button. The main configuration panel will show up. You can select if you want to test the DisplayPort sink or source or the embedded DisplayPort with your test device, also named as DUT. In these tutorials, we will focus on the DisplayPort sink. You can select how many lanes you want to test on the DUT. You can select the CTS version against the DUT is going to be tested. In this tutorial, we have selected DisplayPort 1.4. First, select if you want to do the testing in compliance or in expert mode. In compliance mode, we run all the tests according to the DisplayPort CTS. The test automation will provide easy pass-fail result. On the other hand, in expert mode, the user can change most of the test parameters. The expert mode will allow the user to go beyond compliance testing. In the lower part of the configuration panel in SyncFi test section, you can select the data rates that the DUT supports. Depending on what type of fixture you have, the plug fixture and the receptacle fixture can be selected here. You can also select the aux controller, which is also named as the reference controller source. It is to remote control the DisplayPort aux channel controller that is connected to DisplayPort Sync. In our example, we have selected Unigraph DPT2100 aux. The user can click on the Query DUT compatibilities to see if the aux controller is properly connected to the DP Sync DUT. Last, there is also an advanced step, where you can select the different advanced parameters. For example, like if you want to test with a differential probe, you have to select this for the calibration, or you can test using single-ended connection as well. We also have the default average values checkbox option here for advanced usage. This will take some time since the tests will be run multiple times to get an average value of the calibration. After clicking OK, the procedure tree comes up. First part of the procedure tree contains the calibrations procedure. All these calibrations are required in order to guarantee that the VESA test automation software generates accurate results. The second branch contains the actual test procedures. The jitter tolerance tests are available in the first test subgroup for each data rate. It contains additional subgroups for each data rate. Additional subgroups are available for the zero-length tests and expert mode tests. When selecting any test, you can see the test parameters on the right side of the window. In expert mode, these parameters can be edited. When clicking right on any test procedure, you can see the related connection diagram. Once the calibration and test procedures are selected with the check mark, press Start. You will also get the connection diagram to make sure that the involved instruments are properly connected. The test starts after you have confirmed with OK. During the test, a report is generated containing all the relevant information for these tests. While the test steps are performed, you will get on the lower output control some information about frequency, symbol log and error counter as received from the DUT. After the test is completed, you can double-click on the test to bring up the report. This report contains the result of the chosen test procedure including the specific test parameters. You can proceed in a similar way with all the other tests. Hope we were able to give you an idea about the VESA DisplayPort solution. That's all. Thank you for watching.